Welcome back to One Row Wonders. So today we're going to show you how to do this pretty tilted cluster stitch. A one row repeat, you get this really pretty cluster stitch. So to do this one row wonder, we're going to do our chain in sets of 3. Any number of sets of 3 that you want for the item that you're going to make. If it's a blanket, do it in sets of 3 until it's the width that you want. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Then we'll add 1 extra stitch. 1 extra stitch. You're going to go into the second stitch in the chain, and we're going to make a cluster of stitches. So count 1, 2. Now first of all you're going to do a single crochet. A single crochet. Now you're going to do a half double crochet. So put your yarn over and go into the same stitch and do a half double crochet. So you've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and come through the 3 loops. Now you're going to do a double crochet into the same space. 1 double crochet. You're going to skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, and you're going to do that cluster again. A single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet. So skip 1, 2. Do a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 and do your cluster again. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, so you've got 3 loops on and come through the 3 of them, and then a double crochet. That's your yarn over into that same space, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over and through 2 loops, and it makes this little cluster. Skip 2 and do the cluster again all the way along. Now it doesn't matter if you've got 3 stitches left or 2 stitches left. Into the last stitch you're going to put 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Now you're going to pull your stitch up to about ½ inch and turn your work around. So this next row is the row that you'll keep repeating. That's your base row done, and it's just set us up for the pattern, and we're going to do this one row over and over again. So what you're going to do now is you're going to skip the first stitch, and into the next stitch you're going to do that cluster. So you're going to put a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet. You're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the next stitch you're going to do that cluster. So skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. You're going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches and then do your cluster. Single crochet, a half double and a double. Skip 2 and do the cluster again all the way along. Now when you get to the end, into the last stitch, you're going to do a cluster. So into that last stitch you're going to do a single crochet, your half double crochet, and your double. Pull your stitch up and turn. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the next one you're going to do your cluster. That's a single, a half double, and a double all the way along, and that is the one row you'll keep repeating. Pull your stitch up and turn, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third one you'll do your cluster, and that is the one row you'll keep repeating. So you'll be making your next cluster in the end, the small single crochet of the one in the row below you. And this is what you'll get. Now I've got a different shade of pink here, but this is the same stitch, and this is the lovely pattern that you'll get. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumb up if you like it, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, goodbye.